Are you worried about your baby's development because of fear mongering on the internet? This is something that's come up with several parents that I've been talking to this week, that they're like, I'm not sure if I'm just concerned about my baby because the internet is telling me to be concerned about my baby. And I think that there's a lot of concern that a lot of people have that like they're being influenced, that whole influencer trend, they're being influenced to care about something that they don't have to care about. Now, I think it's really valid, and I think that there's some truth and a lot of falsehood to that. What do I mean by that? Is I think that too much information can always be too overwhelming, and there are extremes in anything. However, there's no smoke without fire. So essentially, one of the things that's come up for me more recently is that I am like in a panic now going to hotels. I've seen too much on the internet where hotel rooms aren't cleaned, the sheets aren't actually washed, people are using the coffee kettles, which I don't even use, to like wash their socks. Like, I'm just like, oh my God, like there's so much on the internet that is scaring me into like being totally grossed out by hotel rooms. Okay. So when we were going on vacation the last time, my husband's like, you've got to stop watching the internet. We've gone to hotels for years. And like all of a sudden now, because you're seeing something, you're like freaked out about going to hotels. Now, this is where I'm going to challenge you on is the internet feeding me that information? And like, is there fear mongering in that? I guess, but is that also true? Yes. There are gross things that are happening in hotel rooms, and now I'm just aware where before I wasn't aware. Now, was I okay going to hotel rooms and sleeping in dirty sheets that weren't washed? I guess. Also, so it's making me more conscious of doing my research into the hotels that I go to and maybe bringing some cleaning products if that's important to me, or bring my own towels or something like that, okay? So I can make those adjustments based on now what I know. And so is there truth in like sharing information about your baby's development? Is there truth in speaking that crawling is important, and that your baby isn't crawling, there can be downline effects of that? Yes. Maybe you didn't know about that before, or maybe your parents didn't know about that before, but is there truth in that? Yes. You can choose to ignore it. You can choose to do something about it. The information hasn't changed. So I think that when you're thinking about whether or not you're being overloaded with information, truth is that's the case with everything. You can also choose whether or not you want to take in that information or not take in that information. I can choose to scroll past the information about hotel rooms and then just continue to sleep in gross hotels. I guess I can continue to do that, and probably I'll be okay. But I don't want to, because now I can't unsee what I've seen. I want to do something different now. So that's really the question, is the information that you're seeing is probably real. It is probably true. It's just whether or not you want to do something different with the information that you have now.